This is about bread, nothing like what you expect. I was working on this bread making video when I heard the news about YouTube's new monetization policy. For new channels like mine, they doubled the amount needed to earn any income from ads. 4,000 was already hard to reach. Now they raising it to 8,000, and I can't. Filming, editing, and uploading an 8-minute video every week took me 2 days. Working without earning money is a huge sacrifice, but at least I had the promise of making some income in the near future. Now that's gone. I am closing my channel. Sadly, it didn't last long. Thank you to the few people who subscribed and watched my videos. This is my goodbye. Take care and happy cooking. The ingredient list is in the description.